What's up, guys? It's been a minute since I did a video. This is going to be an update. I am testing a new strategy because I haven't been able to do New York session as, well as I would like to because, I work. But I found a strategy, man, that's been panning out. And I'm going to show you guys the results. This is a paper trading account. I will preface that and let you guys know ahead of time. I am testing this out on my paper trading demo, okay? So I will be getting 2 accounts, okay? I'm coming back strong. I'm coming back hard. I'm coming back with a vengeance because, I believe I can do this, guys. I know I can do this. It's been a long time coming. I've learned a lot from these blown funded accounts. They've hurt, but I know I can get a payout on this next one. And if I get a payout on my next one, why not double the payout amount by, getting more bang for my buck, a higher payout. That's basically what I'm shooting for. I'm going to challenge myself to become a 6-figure funded trader. That's been one of my goals. I've been able to pass those 50K accounts like nothing. And, me being able to get a higher payout with 100K worth of funding just sounds more appealing, sounds just more professional, in my book. I know I can do it, and I'm going to challenge myself to do so. But I will be releasing more information about this strategy that I've been using during Asia that has been working like gangbusters, guys. I mean, it's been killing the markets. I've been able to do some pretty cool stuff during Asia, and I'm just excited to go ahead and showcase that. I know a lot of you guys may not be able to trade New York, and be profitable. It moves kind of volatile. It's kind of hectic during the morning. And if you work a 9 to 5, then this strategy is for you. Okay. As you see, it's 7:10 p.m. and Asia session just opened up about 10 minutes ago. It took me literally less than, let's say, I think like 5 minutes for me to mark out the levels and apply it. You know what I'm saying? I saw the setup. I saw exactly what I was looking for. It's a rule-based mechanical system, and it should be easy for anybody who knows ICT concepts to follow. Okay. You mark out your key levels of liquidity. You mark out your fair value gaps. You look for an inversion after it hits any of those levels. As you see, we tapped into this fair value gap, which was actually a new opening day gap. It wasn't a fair value gap. It was a new opening day gap, just like the new week opening gap, where price tends to draw to for liquidity. It also swept all of those highs right there. So that was buy side liquidity that it swept. On the way up, it formed this fair value gap. So let's go ahead and make that a bullish. Let's see, where's it at? Bull fair value gap. Boom. So it was a bullish fair value gap, right? Formed right there. Okay. And then I waited for price after it tapped that key level, that new day opening gap, and it took out buy side liquidity right there. I waited for this to become an inversion fair value gap. So IFVG is what it became. And then I targeted that sell side liquidity. Now we do have more levels down here, way down there, and price probably will go all the way down there. But I went for a quick 3-to-1 risk to reward ratio. Okay. I risked like $100, as you guys saw. I believe it was like 108 or something like that, to make over $500 on that trade. And to let you guys know, I placed a few trades on this account, but I just made a new demo account yesterday just so I can start testing this out. I do have screenshots from my previous trades. I took one this morning. No, I took one last night. Two this morning that was still in the same direction, continuation trades. I just got out and then got back in on the continuation. And then this trade. And guess what? I would have passed my funded account, guys. I have over $3,000. Let's go ahead and look at the balance history. Today is the 23rd. Okay. And as you see, let's look at the date. 7/22. Okay. At 19:21. That's when I placed my first trade. So far, I've only lost, I think, one or two entries. I think that was a break-even trade, that 22.50. But it took me out with a little bit of a loss. But this was my only real loss because I kind of got in a little too early on that trade yesterday. And, you know, because price wasn't really moving the way I wanted to, I got out. I got out earlier than I should have instead of holding for it to actually go in my favor. Because as you see, if you look at this one, it says symbol, boom, boom, short, close short position for symbol. Okay. Same one, right? That was at 20.34. This one was at 21.01. So same trade. Okay. Boom. Got out with a loss, a little loss, but I really wouldn't have lost if I didn't get out. I was a little scared. I didn't want to mess up or tarnish my results. But anyway, you'll see right here, 365, 42, 652, $22 loss, 672, 880, 560. Okay. I'm using the same contract size that I'm going to be using on my evals coming up. Tomorrow, I'm going to purchase 2 accounts and I'm going to be running this strategy. Be looking out for the strategy video. Okay. I will be breaking it down once I get funded again with the strategy. I'm going to be showing you guys exactly what I'm doing during Asia to get these results. Like I said, I just started this account yesterday and I was able to pass or not pass, able to make $3,000 on the account using this strategy and my morning strategy. I did place a trade earlier this morning. It was a wonderful setup. I mean, I was able to place it while I was at work and everything worked out. So just wanted to make this quick video. I did not forget about you guys. I am still here, still working, still grinding towards the end goal, which is to become a profitable full-time day trader. Okay. But I don't want to bore you guys. I don't want to keep you any longer. Just wanted to show you those results. Please continue to watch as I refine this strategy. I will be releasing more updates and actually teaching you guys the strategy. So make sure you're locked in, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the other side. Thanks for watching. Take care.